But yeah, a little cold start Monte Carlo action for you guys. I'm making this video because I had to show you something. Not something I'm happy about, something I never thought I'd be making a video about, but unfortunately this happened Thanksgiving Day. Let's turn it around and show you guys what I'm talking about. Yep, that's what you think it is. Yep, that's exactly what it looks like. The door on the SS was crashed into by my neighbor. She forgot to put her car in park. It rolled out of her driveway. My car was parked directly behind her driveway Thanksgiving Day, and her car rolled into my door. Luckily, it was just the door. I say luckily because the rear quarter and the front corner were not impacted by her car rolling into my vehicle. However, the door is done. I have a feeling they're gonna replace the door and the mirror, and then we have to talk about the paint, because the paint on this thing, it's original. It's 35-year-old paint, so I'm not sure how they're gonna paint match it, let alone the stripe and the decal kit that are 35 years old that are faded. They might be able to source new ones, but heck if they're gonna match. Pretty frustrated I have to make this video, but today we're gonna go get estimates at the body shops and see, you know, what it's gonna cost to have this work done in this car, because unfortunately I have a feeling it's going to be a pretty sizable bill. I also have to go get the police report today, which I'll do as well. She was very apologetic, and it was an accident, and I understand that accidents happen. That's why we have insurance, but at the end of the day, the car needs to be fixed and made right in at least the condition it was in before the accident. So let's jump in the car. I think we're going to get some estimates, see what the damage is. Not fun, but it is what it is. Maybe it'll be a winter paint job that happens, and come spring she'll be ready to rock with the new paint job. I don't know what they're gonna say. I'm not a body guy, but matching 35-year-old paint, I don't know they're gonna be able to do that. So let's jump in the car and see what we can find out and get some estimates. Here we go. All right guys, just got done at the first body shop. This shop is recommending a full paint, top to bottom, remove trim, windows, etc., doing it right, which is what I want, because again, the car was as nice as it could be for what I had for 35 years old, but now this accident's causing these issues. And he said that there's no way they're fixing that door. They are going to have to get a new door and a new mirror. So I'm in a little bit of disbelief, but I'm not, because I was kind of expecting this. I'm gonna go get 2 more estimates for the sake of, you know, professional opinions and being able to present that to my neighbor, and then from there taking the next steps, which will probably be involving my insurance company. So off to the next one. Let's go do this. All right, let's shoot this section right here. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm in a cemetery. Driving by, I figured that was the mood. Why not? Because I'm sad. I am. Finding out, the inevitable. Each body shop I went to has definitely recommended a full paint because They can get a new door, they can put a new stripe kit on, they can paint a door, but they can't match this 35-year-old paint. So they are recommending full paints. I have a feeling I'm going to have to get my insurance company involved, because her normal everyday insurance is not going to cover or value an 84 Monte Carlo SS at the value of which insurance I carry, or my insurance company values the car at. So I have a feeling I'm going to have to put a claim in, but hopefully my insurance will go to bat for me and get this taken care of and get it done right, because this is going to need to be painted. I want it done, and I want it done right. Windows pulled, trim pulled, bumpers taken off, brake lights out, all that good stuff, because I don't want to be driving around in a car with 4 different colors on it. So at the end of the day, I want it done right. My job now is not to find a body shop who's going to tell me anything different, because I already know what they're going to tell me. The first one I went to kind of just laid it right there in cement for me, but the other two had definitely backed up that professional opinion with theirs to say it needs a full paint if you're expecting it to look anything presentable after the body work is done. So with that being said, I need to find a body shop I can trust that can do the job. So I know this video has been kind of boring, but just wanted to explain what was going on. This is the saga of the 1984 Monte Carlo SS, and what's going to happen from here. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like my content, please check out my other videos, hit that like button, hit subscribe, or even hit that little Power 6 logo in one of the corners. It's either down here or over there, I'm not really sure. But hit that button, helps grow the channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So stay tuned for future videos about what happens with this thing, because we're going to get it fixed, and it's going to get fixed right, but it's going to take some time. It is what it is, right? All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Otherwise, we're out of here. See ya!